As Nampa continues to grow and evolve, many homeowners are becoming more conscious of their environmental footprint and energy consumption. One of the best ways to achieve both energy savings and enhanced comfort is by choosing energy-efficient windows. These windows not only help reduce utility bills but also provide a host of other benefits that can improve the overall quality of life in your home. If you're wondering why so many Nampa homeowners are making the switch, here's a closer look at the reasons behind the growing popularity of energy-efficient windows. Lower energy bills. The most immediate and obvious benefit of installing energy-efficient windows is the reduction in energy costs. In Nampa, where temperatures can range from hot summers to cold winters, heating and cooling expenses can take a significant portion of a homeowner's monthly budget. Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent the transfer of heat and cold, allowing your HVAC system to operate more effectively. By keeping your home at a stable temperature, these windows reduce the need for constant heating or cooling, which translates into lower energy bills. Homeowners can expect to see a noticeable drop in their utility expenses, especially if they replace older, single-pane windows that let in drafts or allow conditioned air to escape. Over time, the savings can more than offset the initial cost of installation, making it a sound investment for homeowners looking to save in the long run. Enhanced comfort year-round. And energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent temperatures throughout your home, which means fewer cold spots during winter and less heat buildup in the summer. In Nampa, where the weather can be unpredictable, this level of comfort is particularly important. Whether you're lounging in the living room or cooking in the kitchen, you'll notice a more stable and pleasant indoor environment. Furthermore, these windows are often designed with better insulation properties, such as low E coatings or argon gas fills, which improve both temperature regulation and sound insulation. This means you'll not only feel more comfortable but also enjoy a quieter living space. Increased home value. Another compelling reason why Nampa homeowners are opting for energy-efficient windows is the boost they can provide to your home's value. As more people become aware of the environmental and cost-saving benefits, energy-efficient features like windows are becoming increasingly desirable on the real estate market. If you ever plan to sell your home, prospective buyers will appreciate the long-term savings that come with lower energy bills and the reduced environmental impact. In fact, studies have shown that homes with energy-efficient upgrades often sell faster and at higher prices compared to homes without such improvements. The added curb appeal, as well as the promise of reduced energy costs, can make your property stand out in a competitive market like Nampa. Environmental benefits. Nampa, like many communities, is increasingly focused on sustainability and reducing carbon footprints. Energy-efficient windows play a key role in helping homeowners reduce their environmental impact. By using less energy for heating and cooling, these windows reduce your home's carbon emissions, making them an eco-friendly choice for those who want to do their part in preserving the environment. In addition, many energy-efficient windows are made from recyclable materials, which further contributes to a sustainable lifestyle. Choosing these windows is a step towards making your home more green and reducing its environmental footprint. Protection from UV damage. Did you know that UV rays can damage your furniture, carpets, and artwork over time? Energy-efficient windows often feature coatings that block harmful UV rays, which helps protect the interior of your home from fading. In a sunny place like Nampa, where bright sunlight is common, this is a crucial advantage. With energy-efficient windows, you can keep your furnishings looking new for much longer and avoid the need for costly replacements. Final thought. For Nampa homeowners, investing in energy-efficient windows is a smart choice that offers both short-term and long-term benefits. Not only will you save money on energy bills, but you'll also enjoy a more comfortable, sustainable home. With the added bonus of increasing your home's resale value and protecting your interiors from UV damage, it's clear why so many are making the switch. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, make sure to consult with a local expert to find the best options for your home's needs. With so many options available, you'll be able to choose windows that fit both your budget and your desire for a more energy-efficient, comfortable living space.